video, we are going to use how to use voice to text to record your student's voice so that later on they can then translate them into English to help them write if they are very low level. This is an example of the app, a free online app you can use. Okay, so I'm just going to try this now. And I'm going to speak into this. Just ignore these ads. These are ads, but this is the actual app we're using. So we start. Hello. This is a text. Now keep talking. Can you see the words appearing here? I've just said that. Anyway, so the students can actually use their voice to write a story. Okay, they can say, my name is Josephine. Yeah, so that's a good example of how to use that. They can then copy and paste whatever language they used if they want to use their own language, and they can open up Google Translate. So Google Translate can translate in their language to English. Yeah, so I'm gonna reverse that here because I'm speaking in English. So Control V, paste. Also just go back to that. Okay. Copy that one, Control C. Control V. And try to do it in the language. And you can actually see. Yeah, it's a translation of the language. You can reverse it, reverse the process. I know it's going to be a lot of errors if it was in their language, so that's quite normal. This is the translation, and often translation is not very faithful, but it's better than not being able to write anything at all. So to copy that, get rid of this, we actually reverse it. So you get in English. So that's how it basically works. Okay, so if you have any questions, you can then contact me via Skype if you want more detail.